Okay, today I'm feeling very happy that you have successfully completed this 5 days blockchain workshop. I express my sincere thanks to our eminent speaker, Mr. Pranav Shastri, for enlightening us with all the aspects of blockchain technology. And I would like to thank Programming Pista team for their continuous help and support for making this course successful. I express my deep gratitude to our management and principal Srija Madam for allowing us to conduct this course. I am also thankful to our HOD Dr. B.S. Daga sir for his continuous motivation and guidance. I am thankful to my coordinator, Professor Kalpana, for helping me right from the beginning of the course. Thank you all the participants. Without you, this course was not possible. Thank you participants for making this course successful, and thank you for all your active participation throughout the course. I hope that this course will open the new opportunities for you. All the best for your future. Thank you all. Over to you, Pranav sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I would also like to thank you, the entire team of the college. We started the marketing not long back, but we really worked hard, and we tried making this news reach as far as possible. So it wouldn't have been possible if you and your entire team would be there. Special thanks to the principal, vice principal, all the coordinator, you, everyone, and especially the students here. I really loved them. They were really interactive. We had fun, I believe, in the session. So I hope you all have enjoyed the session, guys. Please do leave the feedback here, and definitely once the lockdown is over, probably we'll have a meetup, like a physical session. I am also intending on having a big hackathon. I was intending on having it this year, or like in September or October. But now, since the COVID situation is there, probably it will be pushed in 2021. So whenever it happens, I will be informing everyone. You also, you'll be getting a special mail. And since you all were a part of this session here, we will invite you there also. And it will be like a big event wherein multiple big entities and big blockchain based companies would also be coming. So I would suggest that you join us there. So it would be great to see you in person also. So thank you once again, guys, everyone. Thanks a lot. Hope you had fun, and take care. Stay safe. In case if you all want to share your feedback on voice, so it would be great to hear you all talk. So please go ahead if you all want to talk.
Participants, please share your feedback, opinion, anything that you want to share about the course.
About the course, about blockchain, about me, anything at all.
Yeah.
Good, bad, either. No problem. You can share.
Sir, it was a really great session. Like, I have attended many seminars before, but this was way better because of the interaction. It was really helpful for everyone to understand what was going on with the coding and as well as for the theoretical part. And I hope we will work soon together.
Definitely, Saransh. It was great interacting with you as well. Anyone else who would like to speak?
Mayank is there? Mayank? Sela, you can share your opinion, views.
Yeah, Sela should share. She generally chats also in private these days. कुछ doubt होता है तो वो private में ही पूछती है.
Yeah, it was a very educational seminar and a workshop at least. It's not one I've ever done before, and I must say after doing this workshop, it has helped me gain more confidence in coding itself. I mean, initially in coding itself, generally I'm not very confident of my work because I don't usually get the answer in the first round itself, and I automatically get very demotivated. But this time it was quite good because there was a very everything was explained pretty well, so I was able to understand where what was going, what information was being sent where, and it was a very educational workshop. So thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Sangeeta madam is there. Sangeeta, please share your opinion. Neeraj.
Yeah, actually, I wanted to say something that I am an EHTC background engineer. I graduated last year, and I did not have much confidence and much coding background. I did learn Python, but mostly machine learning side. I actually was quite skeptical about learning JavaScript because I thought, kaise hoga? Itna bada code hai. People learn it from their second years and third years. So I was quite skeptical, but after the session, I'm pretty confident about learning it because I've at least got the basics and a gist of what can we do and how can we do something with JavaScript, even if we don't have a major, coding background. So I think, yes, blockchain and all these sessions did help me personally to gain confidence in various coding languages on understanding the codes, writing the codes, executing them. So really thank you, sir, for teaching us and introducing me to this thing. And I'd also like to thank Professor Sujata ma'am for suggesting this course to me. It really, really helped me a lot. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Neeraj.
Thank you so much, Neeraj. Both of you, Sela, Neeraj. See, coding is something that you learn by doing errors. If you are always right in the first go, you're not going to learn anything. So never get demotivated, never get disheartened if you're getting some errors or some issues in your system. In fact, you should learn, you should try to solve, because flawless code is written by everyone. A lot of people are there who can write flawless coding. But rectifying issues is something that not everyone can do. And that's what you have to figure out, because life has a lot of errors. You have to, taking it to the spiritual side. You have to figure out how to rectify and accommodate those errors in your code, and yet the code is supposed to function as it is functioning.
True.
Anyone wants to share opinion, views? Ritvik, Karthik, Mayank, Dishant.
Hi, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Karthik. Hi.
Yes, sir. So first time I saw you at KC College, and you seemed very strict. And you were about to tell me, that was the first time when I got to know about blockchain. And that time you came there for a workshop, next workshop, telling about some workshops, and I was not able to attend that because of some reasons. But you were very strict. And वो वाले प्रणव सर और इस वाले प्रणव सर में बहुत फर्क है. Like, I think you are getting my point.
I don't remember me being strict, but okay, yeah, if you're saying properly.
The way you were delivering the the seminar, how is blockchain working and all, that is the only point. And yeah, I enjoyed this session, and yes, looking forward for your next workshops.
Yes, Ritvik.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yeah.
Sir, first of all, thank you for having such a wonderful webinar from training session. And sir, because of your knowledge and the experience you shared with us, the way of seeing this world, like it's totally changed for me now. Like as you said, the fiat currency we have system. So I will based on the blockchain technology, and surely this the knowledge you have shared with us will help me while I join the industry.
Great.
Hello, am I audible? I'm Dishant.
Yeah, Dishant.
Yeah, first of all, I would like to thank Ma'am Sujata Ma'am for hosting this session. It was really good and it was really helping for me. And also, sir, to you, you're doing a great job, sir. You're helping us, the youth, to learn new things. First of all, I didn't knew about blockchain, but it feels now it's interesting, and I'm gaining more interest in it. So thank you, sir. You're doing a good job. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Maria, you want to share your opinion? Maria is there.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
So I would like to thank you for the time that you spent for us. I mean, I'm one of those people who never say even hi also in the session, but I'm still quite scared to say anything. But I would say that the session was really good. This is one of my first workshops, hands-on workshop, and it was a really good experience. I would like to come to more such workshops.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
Kalpana madam is there. Okay. So now please fill the feedback form as early as possible so that we can, Pranav sir can issue the course completion certificates.
Yeah. So please fill in the feedback form and give in your reviews, whatever you feel, how we can make the system, the entire session more experiential, more absorbing, more acceptable to the students. So we want to know your perspective, right? So please fill it that way, and the feedback forms would be submitted today, and we will be issuing the certificates in a day. So just bear with us. The rest of the details also will be given out to you. The PPT, the code, everything will be given today itself. Video, again, as I said, take a day or two. Just give us 3-4 days. We'll figure it out and we'll pass that on as well. So once again, it was a really amazing journey of last 5 days that we were there together for. And let's hope we have many more such journeys together. And Sujata ma'am, thank you once again. And let's hope that we can have many more such future training programs coming up. So all the best, ma'am. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you all. All the best. Stay safe, stay home.